Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to study some main topics of subject physics class first year. These video lectures are also useful for MBBS test. These lectures are in very simple words by which anyone can take help. If I missed anything in this video or you don't understand anything, so comment in the comment section. So let's move to our lecture. Let's explore 15 questions of physics with answers. How does the photoelectric effect support the idea of dual nature of light? The photoelectric effect demonstrates that light behaves as discrete particles when it interacts with matter, releasing electrons with specific energies. This supports the particle nature of light. Describe Young's double-slit experiment and its significance in understanding the dual nature of light. Young's experiment involved shining light through two closely spaced slits, creating an interference pattern on a screen. This showed that light exhibits wave-like behavior as it interferes constructively and destructively. It's significant because it demonstrated both wave and particle aspects of light. What are photons and how do they relate to the particle aspect of light? Photons are discrete packets of energy representing the particle aspect of light. They have no mass but carry energy proportional to their frequency. How does the wavelength of light relate to its wave-like behavior? The wavelength of light is inversely related to its frequency. Longer wavelengths correspond to lower frequencies and more pronounced wave-like behavior. What is the electrolytic spectrum and how does it illustrate the dual nature of light? The electromagnetic spectrum encompasses all forms of electromagnetic radiation, including visible light. It illustrates the dual nature as it shows light's continuum of frequencies and quantization into discrete photons. Explain concept of diffraction and context of light dual nature. Diffraction is the bending of light waves as they encounter obstacles or pass through narrow slits. It's a wave-like phenomenon and demonstrates light's ability to spread out and interfere. How does the speed of light change when it enters different medium? And what is the significance of this phenomenon? Light slows down when entering a denser medium such as glass or water. This change in speed is responsible for phenomena like refraction, where light changes direction when passing from one medium to another. What is the Compton effect and how does it provide evidence for particle nature of light? The Compton effect is the scattering of X-rays by electrons. It shows that X-rays, which are a form of high energy light, can be treated as particles because they exhibit momentum transfer during scattering. Explain the concept of polarization of light and how it relates to its wave-like properties. Polarization refers to the orientation of oscillations of light waves. It's a wave-like property because it demonstrates how light waves can vibrate in specific directions, which is crucial for applications like sunglasses. How do interference pattern in young double slit experiment support the wave nature of light. The interference patterns result from superposition of light waves from the two slits. They demonstrate wave-like behavior as light waves interfere constructively and destructively. What is the Broglie wavelength and how does it apply to particles with mass and particles of light? The de Broglie wavelength is a concept that applies to all particles, including those with mass and massless particles like photons. It relates the momentum and wavelength of a particle, showing the wave-particle duality is not limited to light. Can you provide an example of a modern application that relies on our understanding of the dual nature of light? Quantum computing is a modern application that relies on the dual nature of light. It uses qubits, often based on states of photons, to perform complex calculations harnessing both wave-like interference and particle-like properties of light. If you like this video, then please like, subscribe, comment and share our channel, Dr. Raza Academy and Educational Consultancy.